Dear students, I welcome you all to this new video lesson, and we are in the part 2 of the unit number 2, where we are discussing the data entry and keyboarding skills. In the previous video lesson, we have discussed about the keyboard and mouse and the placement of your fingers on it. And I hope that you have completed all the exercises that were given in that session. And now you are getting more confident on working on the keyboard without looking at the keys. And now you have gained your muscle memory also. Okay. So you know how to place your fingers. The home row is there and the keys, the 8 fingers of your have been assigned the keys that should be pressed by them. Okay. So A, S, D, F is for the left hand 4 fingers, and the J, K, L and the semicolon keys are for the right hand fingers. Okay. The space bar will be pressed with right hand thumb. Okay. So in this video lesson, we will be discussing about typing softwares and the typing software that is very much useful for you to enhance your typewriting skills. Okay, so let's get started. There are many software available which are free of cost and are customized to learn typing efficiently and effectively. Now the software that we will be using and that is prescribed for you, it is Rapid Typing Tutor. So Rapid Typing Tutor is a free and open source software designed to learn typing skills on the computer. It is free to use and you can share it with others for free, but only by using the original distribution package. Learning to type is fun with the typing game included with Rapid Typing Tutor. Okay, so we will be discussing the touch typing technique. Touch typing improves typing speed and accuracy. A touch typist never looks at the keyboard. This is the main rule. The fingers hit the right keys by habit. The typist is entirely focused on the text that is being typed, reading the words and phrases as the fingers type the text reflexively. Touch typing can be learned by performing special exercises. Stage 1 of the exercise is learning the home row of the keyboard. Okay. Looking at the keyboard is strictly forbidden. This is followed by learning the lower and upper rows, the number rows, uppercase characters and special symbols. Then stage 2, it involves memorizing frequently used syllables and typing word containing these syllables. Stage 3, it involves typing actual text to perfect the skills acquired. Okay, so you will be moving through these stages to gain accuracy and confidence. So the rule of touch typing, you know, the home keys. So the keys F, D, S, A, J, K, L, semicolon, these keys represent the base position. Keyboards usually have small protrusions on the F and J key. They help your fingers locate the base position without looking at the keyboard. Try to return your fingers to the base position after each key stroke. Color coding that is being shown shows press each key. Okay. The left index finger is reserved for all the red keys. The right index finger is reserved for green keys and so forth. Use the thumb of whichever hand is more convenient to you for the pressing of space key. The base position on the numeric pad is the number 5 key for the middle finger, 4 for the index finger, 6 for the ring finger. The numeric pad simplifies and speeds up numeric data input. Uppercase and symbols appearing on keys in the numbers row are tied by one hand with the little finger of the other hand holding down the shift key. Do not look at the keyboard, try to locate the right keys with your fingers. Now, after configuration, in Wizard, Rapid Typing's main window will appear as shown in the figure 2.14. Let us familiarize with the typing tutor interface. So first you have to download this software and you install it. Taskbar allows to set or change some basic options to start a lesson: keyboard layout, level, lesson and background. Okay. So this is the layout. 3 horizontal buttons in the top right corner options: about and help. Okay, can display the corresponding dialogues. 3 vertical buttons in the top left corner: lesson, statistics and lesson editor, are used for switching between current lesson, user statistics and lesson editor. Okay, these are the keys. This is the text panel in which the text to be typed is displayed. Okay, it will display the characters that you have to type, and this will display the position of your hands. You can easily edit it in the lesson editor if necessary. Lesson and control panel, it includes several controls to pause, resume the current lesson, okay, enable or disable sound and adjust the sound volume. Then you have the keyboard. It is a virtual keyboard that will help you to learn touch typing with all the 10 fingers. Okay, so to start with, you will have to choose the lesson. So this is introduction, beginner, beginner copy, introduction. Okay, so to start your first lesson in typing tutor, select the keyboard layout, level and lesson category on the taskbar shown below. There are 4 drop down lists in top left corner of the screen, therefore moving from left to right. Choose the layout. Okay, that is the language of keyboard. It's English on the picture above. Then select a level. There are 3 levels available: introduction, beginner. So you can see here, this is EN, this is English, and there are the these levels. Specify lesson category. Depending on the level chosen, the available category may vary. Finally, choose the lesson that you would like to study. So you should start with the first lesson. When everything is ready, press any key. Then put your fingers in the home key. There is also the lesson control panel just above the keyboard, from where you can suspend or resume the current lesson. So this is the play or pause button. So you can pause it. To pause a lesson, click this type of button that is displayed instead of this play button. Okay. To restart the current lesson, you can press this button. Okay. To enable or disable sound, you can press the sound bar button. Okay. You can also set the background image. Okay. You can change the background image for the text panel by choosing an option: animation, wallpaper or plain. Clear? Then you should start selecting the lesson from basics, lesson number 1 to lesson number 9. Then for shift keys, using the shift keys, then digit keys and numeric keypad learning. Okay, these are the levels. While making your way through the lesson, you will probably mention 2 progress bars, one in green and another is yellow, on the lesson control panel. The green progress bar shows the percentage of completion for the lesson, and the yellow progress bar reflects the acceptable time period. Okay, you should be completing this lesson in a acceptable time. When the yellow progress bar turns out at least once, typing tutor records that you have broken the rhythm at this character. Now, how to interpret your results? Each time you complete a lesson, the result dialog box will appear to show your achievement in the lesson. Okay, it will be having 2 tabs: rating and errors. The first one looks like shown in the figure, you can review your meters. Overall skill level between beginner and champion. Okay, characters per minute, words per minute, accuracy in percentage, all these things are shown. So you can check your progress. Okay, so there is an option for going to the next lesson, or you can try again if you are not confident and you want to try it again. If you want to improve, you can try it again. Okay, so this is the result window. The color indication: green letters denote right inputs, yellow letters stand for right inputs exceeding the time. Okay, red letter denote wrong input within the acceptable time frame. Orange letter indicate wrong inputs that also exceed the acceptable time frame. ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप किसी कीबोर्ड को देखते देखते टाइप कर रहे हो, ढूंढ रहे हैं कहाँ पर वो की है, तो अगर आप सही भी टाइप कर रहे हैं लेकिन आपने गलत ज़्यादा टाइम ले लिया तो उस की का कलर बदल जाएगा. और रिजल्ट्स में ही आपकी एक दूसरी विंडो भी आती है, एरर विंडो. एरर टैब में यू कैन व्यू योर डिटेल्ड स्टैटिस्टिक्स फॉर द करंट लेसन. तो यहाँ पे आपको दिखाएगा कि आपकी क्या क्या गलतियाँ हुई थी. ओके, और डिले आपने कितना लिया. ग्राफिकल व्यू एंड टेबल व्यू. ओके, सो इसे देख के आप समझ सकते हैं कि कौन से लेटर्स में अभी भी आपको प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. On the bar chart, the x-axis corresponds to the letter used in the lesson, while y-axis shows the errors. कि किस पे आपने ज़्यादा एरर की वो आपको दिखाएगा. When you select a row in the table, the corresponding bar on the chart will be highlighted. Okay. View and analyze statistics. To view the result of all the lessons that you have already completed, open the statistics section and choose the button in the top left corner of the main window. The statistics screen will appear. अगर आप अपनी पूरी की पूरी अभी तक की परफॉर्मेंस देखना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए भी आपको सारे ऑप्शंस दिखाई देंगे कि किस की का आपका क्या सक्सेस रेट है. ओके, सो दिस इज द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ योर टाइपिंग. सो यू शुड इंक्रीज योर एक्यूरेसी. ओके, तो स्पीड और एक्यूरेसी दोनों में आपको बैलेंस बना के चलना है. ओके, so this is all about the accuracy meter and how you should check your progress. So when you start using this software, you will find it very easy to use and it will help you increase your speed and accuracy. You can also have detailed lesson statistics. Okay, and you can also have a lesson editor. To open lesson editor, click on the button in the top left corner of the rapid typing window. Lesson editor window is composed of taskbar, which allows you to select the keyboard layout, and toolbar, which includes basic lesson 1 or lesson 2 like this. Okay, this one. Navigation tree, which shows the existing courses and lesson hierarchy. Text panel, lesson metrics, and the keyboard. So this is the window that you see. Okay, then you can, after completing your basic keys, you can you move to shift keys, then to digit keys, then to numeric pad. So you will be completing all these sessions and lessons and you will gain mastery over keyboarding. Okay. So there are various lessons on each type of input. Now calculating the typing speed. The typing speed can be measured with different accuracies. How many words are typed for a certain time? How many characters are typed for a certain time? How many keystrokes are made for a certain time? Okay. Or you can also judge your simple speed or net speed. So this is the detailed description of the typing speeds. WPM, net WPM, CPM, net CPM, KPM. Okay. So this is how the typing speed is judged. So you can go through this table and you can learn how the typing speed is judged. A student typed 240 characters per 2 minutes with errors in 20 characters. So simple speed is 240 characters upon 2 minutes, that is equal to 120 CPM. But net speed means करेक्ट स्पीड क्या थी आपकी, तो 120 CPM में से 20 एरर्स इन 2 मिनट्स कम हो गए तो आपकी हो गई 100 नेट CPM. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज टाइपिंग एक्यूरेसी. टाइपिंग एक्यूरेसी इज डिफाइंड एज द परसेंटेज ऑफ करेक्ट एंट्रीज आउट ऑफ टोटल एंट्रीज टाइप्ड. ओके, सो दिस इज द टेबल डिस्क्राइबिंग द टाइपिंग एक्यूरेसी. Then we have typing rhythm. Okay, so this is the formula for calculating the typing rhythm. Okay, the slow down in the words, slow down in the characters and slow down in the keystrokes can also be calculated. Then overall rating. So overall rating is equal to net speed upon course goal speed into 100%, where net speed is the net WPM, net CPM or net KPM. Okay. Good typing speed. An average professional typist types usually in speeds 50 to 80 WPM, while some positions can require 80 to 95 and some advanced typists work at the speeds of 120 WPM and more. The fastest typing speed on the alphanumeric keyboard is 216 words in 1 minute. That was achieved by Stella Pajunas in 1946. As of 2005, writer Barbara Blackburn was the fastest alphanumerical English language typist in the world. According to the Guinness Book of World Record, using the DVO rack simplified keyboard, she maintained 150 words for 50 minutes and 170 words per minute for shorter periods. Her top speed was 212 words per minute. Okay, so these are the speeds. So you can also achieve these speeds with a daily practice. So end of this unit, you have some practical exercises. Using your left hand first, then using your right hand, then stretching your left index finger, using your left hand type. So these are the detailed exercise you can try. Okay, so this will make your hand more used to the keyboard keys. Okay, then you should use both hands to type these. Okay, so these are the questions for checking your progress at the end of this unit. These are some multiple choice questions that you should do in your notebook. These will be asked in the examination also. Okay, then the fill in the blanks. Then true and false. This type is very important. Okay. And at the end you have short answer questions. So if you have gone through this video lesson with complete attention, you can solve all these questions. So the main motive of this unit is to make you and your fingers aware about the keys available in the keyboard, and you should type with good speed and complete accuracy, and you should increase your typing speed and you should also increase your typing accuracy. So I hope that you will download this software in your computer and you will try the exercises that are given in that typing tutor, and you will be able to type different keys very fast and accurately. Okay, so we will be meeting in the next video lesson with the new unit. Till then, take care and keep practicing.